unboxing the Denon SC Live 4 for the gig we have coming up in Bad Bob's in Temple Bar, Dublin.
The unveiling of, I don't know what that is. Quick start guide. Cool. Whoops.
It's actually bigger than I thought and feels really smooth. Has multiple ways that you can get your music onto a SD card, two USBs. Also, you can stream from SoundCloud, Beatport and Amazon. Really interesting. Layout was nice and big. Menus, easy to follow, smooth, back and forward, load, buttons. Rotaries and sweep effects on each channel. Faders feel really sturdy and jog wheels are nice and tight. The great thing about this machine is you don't need a laptop or computer, so it's an all-in-one system, which is absolutely fantastic.